Hey there mga my loves, Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start ang content pala natin is, alamin natin kung ano ba yung karma ng person na nanakit sa inyo. Now, we're gonna take a look at yung mga karmas na na-receive or na-re-receive or ma-re-receive niya from hurting you. So ayan mga babes, so nga tayo dito ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will na free mo rin gamitin anytime, anywhere. So let's go ahead and check these messages here. And by the way, hi and hello pala mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support na binibigay nyo sa akin. So let's go ahead and check this mga karma here for ya, no? Sa inyong person na nanakit sa inyo. Alamin natin yan. This is for Aquarius. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides, for being present in this reading. This is for Aquarius. Tell me about this person. Yeah, walang kahit na sino may karapatan manakit. Okay. So, let's see. What are the karmas of this person who hurt Aquarius? What are the karmas of this person who hurt Aquarius? What are the karmas? Okay, so let's go ahead. Ilatag naman na natin lahat, Aquarius, before we start reading this for you guys. Let me do the honor. We have here for you Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords, Three of Cups, Death Energy, Tower, oh, Four of Coins, Justice, Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. Unahin na natin agad. Hindi ito mag-resonate for all, pero sasabihin ko na, okay? So that we can move past to this. Nakita ko dito makakapag-asawa siyang muli. Mamahalin siya ng tao na yun, no? At magmamahalan silang dalawa. Miss yan, paano naging karma yan? Well, it's a sudden death. Yung tao dito, namamahalin at pakakasalan niya, basta magpakasal man sila dito or taong mamahalin niya ng bongga talaga, hindi sila magtatagal because, okay, that person, well, pass away or will die. Like physically on earth, nakita ko siyang magde-depart. So, whoever this ay, I know, that will not resonate for all. Pero nakita ko yun sa mga ex ninyo rito na posibleng yan ang mangyari sa kanila. They will love another woman or another man after you. They will give so much love to that person and that person will love them back. Pero hindi magtatagal ang kanilang love story because that person will soon pass away. Sudden. It's unexpected. It's something here surprising and shocking. I know. I know. No one prays for that. No one revenge for that. But that is part of his or her karma. I know. Okay, let's move past it. So another karma that this person here is about to receive is that kapag meron siya ditong sisimula na bagong gagawin, nakikita ko na hindi ito magiging madali para sa kanya. Kailangan niya rito magsumikap ng sobra talaga, magpursige, magtrabaho, mag-put in the work talaga bago yan maging successful. So it could be related sa kanyang pinansyal, sa kanyang coin, sa kanya ritong business or negosyo or work, career. Yan. Palaging 'pag may sisimulan siya rito, hindi ito magiging madali, 'no? Alam mo yung normal nating ginagawa 'pag bago yung trabaho, nag-a-adjust tayo. 'Pag meron tayong bagong environment, nag-a-adjust tayo, that's normal. But for this person, mas hardship yung pagdadaanan niya compare doon. Mas matindi, mas mas malala yung weight, 'no? Yun, mas mahirap for him or her. Lahat ng sisimulan niya rito, kailangan dito ng sobrang sacrifice at pag-a-adjust bago makapag-adapt doon sa sitwasyon. Okay? Whether that's related to financial or personal niyang life. So, maliban diyan, nakikita ko rin siya rito na posibleng siya 'to na mapag-iwanan, 'yan. Mapag-iwanan dito ng panahon, mapag-iwanan dito ng mga pagbabago. What do you mean? Kasi nakikita ko rito na kahit na pinipilit niya rito na maging successful sa kanyang sitwasyon, palagi niyang mararamdaman na nauungusan siya ng iba. Well, I must say, everybody, each and every human being on earth ay merong iba-iba, kanya-kanyang timeline. Iba-iba ang oras ng pag-success, iba-iba yung oras ng tagumpay, okey? Pero lahat may tsansang magtagumpay, isn't it? But for this person right here, your past lover, okay, or whoever this person who hurt you, Aquarius, I do see na mararamdaman niya na palagi siyang napag-iiwanan at mapag-iiwanan. At ang nakakaloka, ito pa yung mga taong nakapaligid or ka-close niya, kaya ramdam na ramdam niya yung pressure, ramdam niya yung intensity because everybody looks like lahat ay paakyat, umaayos, gumaganda ang buhay, but his or her life still the same, stuck. One changes, eh, gano'n pa din, 'no? So, kahit gustuhin niya rito ng pagbabago which is success, eh, mas mararamdaman niya ditong manliliit siya because yung mga kasabayan niya is nakaungos na, malayo na yung gap sa success niya. So, nakita ko rito na posibleng may mga little success rin sa kanyang life, pero ramdam niya talaga na nauunahan siya rito. At yung iba, nararamdaman ko na yung iba mas nakababata pa sa kanila by age, pero mas nagiging successful. Like, parang iiwanan yung energy niya. Aquarius, yun yung nakikita ko rito, mga babes. And other than that, no, one of the karma that this person here has to face is yung nahihirapan siyang i-let go yung mga property na pinaghirapan niya. Alahas, or kotse, bahay, might be lupa or land. Kung ano man yan, nakikita ko rito na may posible siya diyang kailangang i-let go. Wala naman ako nakikitang bankruptcy, pero posibleng kinakailangan niya rito ng malaking halaga. Kaya yung kahit na importante sa kanya, parang ibebenta niya yon para makakuha siya ng large amount of money. Pero this is not something here na madali kasi may sentimental value yun para sa kanya. So, let's say for example, yung singsing or simbolo ng inyong wedding ring before, no? Posibleng may sentimental value yun, no? Dahil minsan siyang naikasal sa inyo at posibleng tinetreasure niya yun, kinakailangan niyang ibenta or isanla, whatever. Or let's say, yung bahay papana pa yun ng lolo niya or ng magulang niya dito who already passed away. Pero kailangan niya munang isanla at ibenta. Kailangan niyang i-let go. Maraming memories, happy memories. Nakikita ko siya nagiging sensitive right here. So, medyo mahihirapan siyang i-let go dito yung mga bagay na material things. Pero kailangan. Kasi kailangan niya ng pera. Kailangan niya ng amount of money. Kasi may paggagamitan siya. And I don't know what that is. Pero I think yun yung paggagamitan niya is may kinalaman sa pag improve ng kanya ditong buhay. So baka ipaninegosyo, or dagdag puhunan, or yeah, may kinalaman sa pag-transform ng situation niya. But that's not the case because this is part of the karma. So whatever he or she is kakaharapin, hindi magiging madali yun. Dahil kailangan niya munang tapusin tong karma na to. It's like an utang eh. It's like a karmic debt eh. Kailangan bayaran, pagbayaran. Pagbayaran with what, Miss Yan? Pagbayaran with spiritual lessons. Kailangan niya matutunan yung mga spiritual lessons. Pero yun nga, kailangan niya itong matutunan in a very difficult or hard way. I know, but that's part of his or her karma, Aquarius. Another thing that I'm picking up right here is meron ditong kinakaharap siyang posibleng documents, baka may court cases, pero that's for few of them. So, the ball is not in their court. So, nakita ko na posibleng tagilid yung laban nila doon. Kahit na sila yung nakikita ko ritong tama, posible yun na hindi pa rin maging pabor sa kanila. I know, but that's part of the karma. So whoever this individual is, Aquarius, nothing will definitely go into this person's favor. Okay? Not until the karma is over. Everything will get back into place after the karma has been paid off. At ang kailangan magbayad nun ay walang iba kundi siya, ang person na nanakit sa inyo. For others of them, this might not be a court case, but this could be documents here getting stuck. Hindi umuusad, walang pag-usad, no? So, whatever the case may be, ano man yung mga pinaplano niya rito natetenga, hindi nagkakaroon rito ng improvement at progress. It is because of the karma that she or she has to face. Kailangan niya po bayaran to. Kailangan bayaran. It's like an utang. Diba? Kailangan niyang bayaran. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, I know, but that's part of his or her karma. Everything should be balanced right here. Okay? Kasi ina-align siya dun sa talagang ruta kung saan siya mapupunta. Meron din siya mga angels and guides. Yes, even this person who hurt you. At kailangan rin nilang i-guide itong person na to papunta sa tama at papunta sa liwanag. Kailangan siyang ma-redirect sa pathway kung saan talaga siya dito dapat mapunta. At para magawa niya yun, kailangan niya munang kaharapin ang lahat ng mga bagay ni ito at sitwasyon ni ito. Kailangan muna niya itong lampasan upang makarating siya rin sa tinatawag na tagumpay. There's also celebration for this person here, pero ang layo pa nun, hindi ko pa masyado matanaw. But I'm also already seeing that little light, no? Pero mahaba pa yung tunnel na pagdadaanan niya. This person needs a lot of strength. This person needs support from his or her family and friends right now. Yeah. So this person here is literally in a very dark situation. His or her soul is really maalon right now. And I do see that this karma is unfolding already for a lot of them. So, nangyayari na ito. So, nakita rin ako dito ng sitwasyon na posibleng, ito hindi to para sa lahat, pero posibleng masunugan siya, kind of way. Kung hindi siya, there's a loved one na masusunugan at posibleng maging siya yung magdala ng burden. Paano ganun, miss yan? Posibleng siya yung umalalay doon in terms of financial muna for that kamag-anak or tinuturing na family or baka family member na masusunugan kind of thing. Kukup ko, parang siya yung mag-aalaga, no? And kailangan niya dito ng extra income. Yan. So, kung hindi siya yung masusunugan, there's a family member na masusunugan at mukhang siya yung kukup-kup, siya yung mag-aalaga at sasagot muna no, hanggat hindi pa nakakabangon yung person. And that is already a burden sa kanyang shoulder. Why? Because he or she is already feeling this struggle in his or her finances. Yeah. Pero kailangan niyang tulungan ito dahil kung friend ito, hindi na ito iba sa kanya, parang pamilya niya na yan. At kung pamilya niya yan, di mas lalong kailangan niyang tulungan. So, kahit maganda po ba siya rito, I think this person here will continue to have one or more racket or sideline at work. Or baka pagsabayin niya na rito, baka magnegosyo na rin siya, small business and then working. Hindi masyado nakakapagpahinga yung isipan niya dito, pati yung katawang lupa niya, pagoda. So, I do see this person here, maaring makaranas siya dito na over-fatigue at talagang baka magkasakit siya, no? Because of too much work. Okay? Parang hindi ko nakikita pinababayaan niya yung sarili niya. This person is still, okay, kumakain ng madami and mainom siya ng tubig, no? Which is maganda. Yung nakikita ko dito sa person na ito. So, I think this person here is fighting, yeah, against all of this karma here. Well, kailangan niya talaga ng paglabanan ito dahil walang ibang makatutulong sa kanya dito kundi siya. Okay? At that makinig siya dito sa kanyang mga angels and guides kasi marami silang sinasabi na posibleng makatulong dito sa person na to upang malampasan niya ang kada at mga paparating pa na pagsubok na haharapin niya, Aquarius. Yeah, hindi talaga ito madali, no? Lalo na dun sa unang mensaheng nakuha natin kanina. Okay? Kahit naman nasaktan tayo ng isang tao, hindi naman natin pinipray na mahigantihan siya ng ganitong klase ng mga misfortunes, no? But this person here, yun yung kanyang karma, I know. Kailangan niyang kaharapin 'to. Pagtapos ng lahat na 'to mga babes, everything will be over. All you need to do is pray for this person here na makayanin niya lahat ng ito. Okay? Yun lang. Yung parang nakikita natin dito na posibleng pwede mong gawin for this past lover or for this person here who hurt you. I know that you do not want any bad intentions or anything bad happen to this person here even though nasaktan niya kayo. Because after all, at the end of the day, you still want na mapabuti pa rin itong tao na 'to kahit na over na ang connection ninyo, okay? I know you're such an awesome and nice individual at mabuti kang tao, you have that beautiful heart in you, okay? So, all we need to do is to pray for this person here to makayanin niya lahat ng mga pagsubok na ito at makaalis siya sa mga sitwasyong ito, okay? So yeah, these are all the messages you've got here. These are the karmas of the person who hurt you, Aquarius. Thank you so much for your time, and if you're interested no, in making tambay in my other channel, link ay nasa description box. Muli ako po siya ng inyong psychic medium, Sarah Ngayon Love and Light. Yeah, for some reason nakita ko ditong ref na walang laman, maaring puro tubig lang, yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, maaring ref niya yun. So, yeah, okay? That might be a sign or a clue. Thank you so much for your time here, Aquarius, and love and light. Annyeong.